Is it the same food I prepared for my husband that I saw in the waste bin? Is it the same food?
Oh yes. And what about it? Is it not that same food that you put your devilish charms in order to subdue my son, not to think of bringing in a more fruitful wife? Oh boy, it will not work. I am here now.
Mama, why are you so wicked and heartless at the same time? Why? Mama, you left your husband's house, came to mine to frustrate me. You became a thorn on my flesh. Mama, why? Let me ask you, if I were to be your daughter.
God forbid that I would begot a daughter like you.
Mama! Eh? If I were to be your daughter and my mother-in-law is treating me the way you have done, just half of the way you have treated me, Mama, how will you feel? How will you take it? Just be honest, Mama.
Now let me answer you. I cannot beget a daughter like you, a barren woman. God forbid. And, by the way, how dare you talk to me like that? Do you think we are mates? Or you fit him?
When a snake behaves abnormal, children will use it to tie firewood. You see this thing that happened? I will tell my husband the moment he comes back. Because I am tired of this. Enough is enough, Mama. Enough is enough. Excuse me.
Mama, what is it?
My son, you are back.
Yes, why are you crying?
Eh? Your mother have suffered. I have suffered. Hey, is it not that stupid, useless, foolish, worthless and shameless barren woman you called a wife? She has the audacity, the effrontery and the leverage to slap me just because I told her that this salt she put in her food is too much.
Nayelum slapped you.
Nayelum!
Nayelum! Nayelum! Come here!
You're welcome.
How dare you slap my mother?
Baby!
Are you mad?
No, baby, I didn't do anything.
You want me to stand with? You want me to stand with? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you crazy? How dare you? How dare you hit my mother? Are you mad? Something wrong with you? Shut up! You didn't do anything. You don't want to stop. You don't want to lie. Try it next time and I will spawn you.
Stop crying, stop weeping. Cause this can only make you stronger, stronger.
Mama, he beats me up. I've done nothing wrong to him. I've done nothing wrong to him. He beats me up. Oh, my body is paining me, Mama.
Police, I hit you.
Mama, he beats me up so bad. Oh, my body, this is my body.
Can you feel me? What did you do to him?
I did nothing wrong, Mama.
Come inside.
Mama, I did nothing.
Just don't worry yourself.
Mama,
tell me, what did you say happened?
don't cry.
It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. This is very important. I need to hear every detail. So don't cry.
His mother accused me for what I didn't do. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I didn't do it.
My husband came back. He didn't care to ask my own side of the story. He didn't care, Mama. He didn't care. He started beating me, Mama. He started beating me on my body. Mama, on my body.
He started beating you?
Yes, Mama.
He started beating you? No problem. It's okay. When you get it on them, Mama, it's okay. Juliana, you have done your worst. But this time, she will hear from me. Just pull yourself together. You have to go back to the city and pretend as if nothing happened. Vijayana again. And you will hear from me.
No, Mama, I can't go back there. Mama, he wants to kill me. He wants to kill me, Mama. He wants to kill me.
Olisa cannot kill you.
I did nothing wrong.
If he does, I will wipe out his entire generation. Do you still love your husband?
I still love my husband.
And you still want him alive so that the love can continue?
Yes, Mama.
Then you have to go back to the city. Because if your father should come back to this house and meet you in this condition that Olisa laid his filthy hands on you, your father will march straight to that city, which is gone, and shoot him dead before your eyes. So go back to the city. You will hear from me. Get up, time, Adro. Get up. Hi. Oh, you're just falling my hand. Get up and go back to the city. I know. When I get it, I know. I have an experience. Oh, sorry. Get up. Worry yourself. You will hear from me. Don't cry. I said, pretend as if nothing happened. Eh? I know. When you get your damn man, pretend as if nothing happened.
Mama, he was punching me. He was punching me if I went to his wife. I will go.
It's okay.
I will go.
You will hear from me.
Okay, Mama.
Stop crying.
Okay, Mama.
When people see you cry, they will think something happened.
Okay,
Stop crying. Don't cry.
Okay, Mama.
You will hear from me. Hey, Juliana. Nah, baby, yes, just go. I was it here. Juliana. No problem. Bye. Why, oh? You will hear from me. Juliana. You dare support your son to hit my child? You will definitely hear from me. That's it. I guys on your break with you.
Mom, you sent for me. And I've been sitting here for a while now. You're just looking at me and you're not talking. What is it?
You know I am your mother, right?
Yes, I know you are my mother.
And you also know that I want the best for you.
I know.
Then, why are you holding on to that which does not yield any fruit?
How do you mean?
My son, As you can see, I'm not getting younger. Neither are you. I need grandchildren. I need someone to give me grandchildren before I join my ancestors. Since your wife cannot conceive, I want you to get another wife that will give us children who will continue your father's lineage. Biko no one. Biko.
You know I have a wife.
See, if you want it to come out from my mouth, if you want me to say it out, Sobadro, I will give it to you. Your wife is barren. She cannot conceive. I am your mother. I will not advise you wrongly. I will not lead you astray. You need to listen to me and do what I asked of you. I'm not asking for too much. Just get a second wife. Biko.
Wipe your tears and cry no more. Anwakoronyuma buchinya gagaraya. Weeping men dear, just for a night, but joy coming to you in the morning. Obia mawagama, my heart is bleeding.
What is it?
They have finished me. Why are you crying?
They have finished me.
They have finished me.
What happened?
It has gotten to the point that my mother-in-law accuses me of things I know nothing about. And that makes my husband Olisa to beat me up. He beats me up.
So wait, hold on. You are trying to tell me that Olisa laid his cursed hands on you? You know what? This time around, he's going to have it hot with me. I am going to sit here and wait for him to return. Oh, he laid his hands on you, a woman!
Please, I don't want you to cause a scene. Please.
No.
My friend.
No. He is going to have it hot with me. Please. For what now? Because you are quiet?
He's my husband. Let him kill me. Since he has chosen to believe whatsoever his mother said to him about me.
No, that's why you have me. You have me for a reason. Relax. Let him come back. For what?
Let me beg you something.
Men don't like quiet women. They don't like it.
Okwaka. Isimoto Okwaka. Biko, I want to beg you something. Don't let my brother know about this. Don't tell him about this, please. Don't tell him. He mustn't know about this.
Listen, I promise you, I am not going to tell your brother. Okay. But as for me, I'm going to sit here and wait for your husband to come and meet you. He needs to tell me why he would raise his hands on you.
He needed to see the way he was punching me. He was just punching me as if I'm punching back. On my body. Sorry. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go.
Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. So sorry. Okay. Sorry, alright? Okay. Sorry. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Okay.
Hey! Hey, Mama.
Gịnịka?
Hey, Mama. Ọgaranya. Di m jiri si mba.
Bring it.
My handsome husband.
Point.
You keep getting handsome. In fact, you're finer in this old age than when we started, sir.
And I do this thing the more now.
I will not sleep. I better leave me alone.
Okay, now shoot. Because once you start pouring encomiums on me like this, I know you want something. Shoot.
Why are you talking like this? I will not praise my husband again.
I am not saying you shouldn't praise me. I was actually encouraging you to praise me. But what I'm saying is that, what is that thing that you want in return? Because you don't give these praises for free. I know you. Fire.
Okay. Me, I won't say anything. Since you say it's anytime I want something, I praise you. I want to ask you for a favor. If I could go and stay with Nollywood in the city for a while.
You know I can read you like the Bible. You know, I've read from Genesis to Revelation. So there is nothing you will... In fact, before you start, I've already read you. Now tell me why. Why do you think you should go?
You know, this her sadness could be contributing to her inability to get pregnant. You know, pregnancy works with psychology. Maybe if I go there and she begins to be cheerful, there's every possibility she might be pregnant.
I think you're right. You're right. But I have problem with the timing. You know, this troublesome Juliana is still there. And I don't want a situation whereby you go there and have face-off with her. I don't want that.
No, I will not fight with her. I already know that she's troublesome. So I won't make any trouble with her. I will stay on my own. Why would I go and fight with a dog?
See? You've not gone there, you're already calling her a dog. Without you knowing, inadvertently you can just call her one name and fighting would have started. That's what I don't want.
No. I won't fight her. Like this now. I'm very sure. Why will I fight her? Even now, though I know she's troublesome, I won't fight her. I will keep to my lane, keep to myself. I won't fight. After I'm going to take care of my daughter, what business do I have with her? I won't fight her.
It's alright, but you have to promise me that you will not stay long. I mean, leaving me here all alone, and you know now, Konji can disturb me now. Don't look at my age, you know I still fire down very well.
I will not stay long. That's the bottom line. I will not stay long. I won't stay long. I will come. Let me leave you.
It's alright. I was actually looking at the teams I want to play here in my Niger belt. Arsenal versus Man U. And Tottenham. I know Tottenham will beat Man City.
Continue.
Don't worry. By the time I win, I will buy you a car.
Continue.
Okay. Yes.
Of this.
What? What's the meaning of what?
Why did you throw my school uniform on the ground?
So you have the infantry to take these rags to my washing machine. What are your hands meant for?
Point of correction. My father's washing machine, not yours.
Will you shut your mouth if I shut it for you? How dare you? How dare you talk back at me? Now you listen. Let this be the first and last time you open your gutter of a mouth to talk back at me.
What do you even take all this as for? Me? My father? This whole marriage thing? Do you think this is a movie where a stepmom sneaks herself into a man's house and maltreats his children? Wake up. This is me, and I won't let you maltreat me in my own father's house.
Hey! Come on, go back in! Did you realize you're talking to me? Your stepmother?
Huh? Yes, I do. If I don't, what will you do? What will you do? You want the game, right? Alright, we'll play the game. And this should be the very last time you stunt this rubbish again. If not, You won't be lucky next time.
Small but right, smart to be silent, no be weakness. To bomb where Bookie Malabar, small silent, no be weakness. To bomb Bookie Malabar, small but right, smart to be silent, no be weakness. To bomb where Bookie Malabar,
Mama, what are you doing here?
I don't understand. Is that supposed to be the welcome? To me, your mother that traveled all the way, that long distance from the village to come and see you.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
Better.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Afternoon.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Afternoon. Because shift to go to come around. Sit. Where are your boys? Let them go and bring my bags. I came with plenty of bags. Big ones. So that they should be careful in bringing them. Where are they now?
Mama, what are you doing with your bags? I don't understand.
Oh, I have come to stay. At least to deal with those witches and wizards that have been disturbing you in your husband's house. Enough is enough. Mama, where are the boys? I am here now. You came to dominate. I have come to throw you out. Iberamugo, what did you come to do? No problem.
What is the meaning of this? Why didn't your mother inform us before coming to my son's house?
Point of correction, Juliana. It is simply my daughter's house. Look at you, wicked woman. You have come to put us under in what God has joined together already. Man and wife are one. It is not true. So she owns the house as well.
Oh, this is it.
This is what?
You're going to the village. All the gossips are coming out now.
Which gossip? You know what you're doing here. What are you doing here?
So this is what you go to the village always to do. To gossip me to your mother.
Send boys to go and bring my things now.
So where the raw? Half a week in the water.
I don't know about water from the beginning, from the village to this place in water. Iyapa. Women tie wrappers. So you want to come and seduce your own son? Ah, in this go. Oh, Agam. Nah, Teddy.
Mama. You came?
Yes, I came to see you people.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Olisa,
yes.
Don't say, I want to see you.
I want to see you. Sit. You came to marry. Let's talk. Tell them to go and bring my things. I don't understand.
Do you want to break my marriage?
No.
Can you just come? You didn't even tell me you were coming, Mama.
On the contrary, I came to destroy every power that has been hindering you from conceiving and having children. Listen, you don't need to show me my room. I know my way to my room. What room na batana?
Mama, take it easy.
What is she doing here?
Mother, I'm as surprised as you are.
Now tell me, what does Nigerian take this house for? A charity organization where they harbor the less privileged and beggars. Is that it?
You know, she never told me anything about her mother coming to visit.
Then she must leave this house today.
Mom.
You heard me very well. And listen, I don't know how possible it's going to be, but what I know is that she must leave this house today.
Yes, dear.
Have you observed that Katrin has totally changed from the woman you got married to?
What did she do and why did you say that?
She has done nothing wrong. Just that I don't like her attitude of late.
My dear, it's okay. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You know, she just started staying with us. Okay, I just wanted to give her a little time. Just a little time. You'll be fine. Okay?
I hope so.
Good girl. Come on, take a seat. Take a seat.
All the evil that you're doing today, awaiting you tomorrow. God is not a man that sleep no slumber. He rewards every man according to their work.
Why didn't your mother pre-inform me of her arrival before coming here?
Same way your mother didn't pre-inform me before she came.
This is my house!
And I am your wife! This is also my house! I decide who stays and who leaves.
Go now and tell your mother to leave my house.
Your mother have to leave first. Until then, get out of my way. At once. Get out. Shift.
Have you suddenly become deaf? Have been calling you since?
Sorry, Mama. I was busy upstairs.
You cannot tell me far. Take it. Go to the main market and buy me the items I listed there. I said main market, not supermarket. So quickly rush and get those things.
Okay, Mama. Let me just go freshen up.
Freshen up for what? You are okay. You are looking good. You are going to the main market, not a beauty pageant. So rush and go.
All right, Mama.
What are you looking for?
My khaki. Oh, my khaki.
Don't worry. You have to go to the market with a cab or taxi, not this car. Because it's making you lazy. I want you to be active, up and doing.
Mama. Juliana. What did I just hear you say?
Oh, I'm sure your daughter is not dumb and deaf. She heard me.
Mama, stay out of this. If I pounce on you, when next your husband sees you, he will not be able to recognize you. So stay away from this. Hand me the keys. Ha! Don't. I'll pounce on you. Mama, I will kill you.
It's okay, Mama.
Shift now.
Mama.
I'll box your breast.
Mama,
get away!
Mama says, Mama,
what is your problem?
Mama, please. What?
Give it to me, idiot. Take. It's your right. It's the car your husband gifted you. So go to the market with it. Super or men, enjoy. Go to the market you like. Super, men, your choice.
I said men market.
Listen to your mother. I get back to you. Did you give back to her?
Mama.
What is your problem?
I said go to the market. I said go to the market.
Why? What is your problem?
And what will you?
Why did you leave that village and come to my son's house? Don't you know that this is my son's house? This house belongs to my son. Go to your own son's house.
You know, you're riding like a rat. You're riding. Look, in a turn, or the kid that turn. Did you notice that? This is equally my daughter's house.
Your daughter's house?
Is that what you
are ashamed? You are not ashamed of yourself. Your daughter's house. Why can't you stay in your husband's house? Or go to your son's house?
Oh,
this is my son's house.
Probably you had your son out of wedlock. You don't have a husband.
Meaning what?
That must doesn't have a house.
Stay out of this. What? Ah! Anita! They are killing your mother! Ah! Anita!
I thought I would show you. What I watch.
What is it? Eh?
My waist.
Your waist?
Aye.
Did you fall?
Eh? Oh, listen, one, where have you been? Where have you been? I've been shouting your name since.
Mama, what happened?
Is it not Gineka one and her daughter? They almost broke my waist today. What? My waist is paining me.
Mayalum! Mayalum! Get yourself here.
Get yourself here. Darling, come.
Why did you almost break my mother's waist?
She didn't touch your mother. I did. Because she took what rightfully belonged to my daughter. So I had to take it by force. I said, the kingdom of God suffered violence. It's only the violent that take it by force. Bam. So do you have any problem with that?
Bam. Your days and that of your mother are numbered in this house.
Ooh. I go nowhere. This is her husband's house. Yes. She belongs here. I will not go anywhere until I drag this witch you call a mother with me. Because it is obvious she is the enemy of this union. Witch!
Did you hear that?
Mark
Calling me a witch in my son's house.
Mark my words.
Which
Oh.
words? Did you see the cap you're wearing? It's because your mother has been riding on your brain. That's why you're wearing cap like this. Cap. Leave these people that waste.
Mayalum, you did this to my
Did
mother.
what? What did she do to your mother? Don't stand. Stay there so that your wickedness will end there.
Mama, why are you lying now? Nobody touched you.
Go inside.
I don't touch there, don't touch there. Call the doctor.
No, call ambulance.
Call the doctor.
Don't go hospital, make her to the mortuary.
Mayalum.
Oh, they must leave this house.
They will leave this house.
They must leave.
Sorry.
How are you?
I'm crying.
And how is your day going?
Good.
Where is mommy?
She's in the kitchen.
Okay, tell her I'll join her shortly, okay?
Okay.
Let me freshen up.
Okay.
Good. Babe, how come you're here eating rice and chicken? Why my daughter just complained that she ate noodles? What happened? You didn't give her rice?
Chimoya said my food is not as sweet as her late mother's own. So she prefers making her food herself. And I indulged her.
And why did you allow her to take such stupid decision? There will never be unity in a place, in one house like this. People are cooking differently.
You're right, my husband. You're right. I'm so sorry. I just didn't want to upset her.
But, Catherine, she used to eat your food. What happened?
Brother Juliana, were you the one that locked the kitchen door?
Oh yeah, I did.
Why?
If you expect me to answer that question, I will do that as a good woman that I am.
Really?
You see, the kitchen is meant for women, wives that can bear children, not men that parade themselves in women's clothes. Men that cannot bear children. That was the reason I locked the kitchen though.
I can see you have completely lost it. And I'm going to right now reset your brain. Hand me the keys. Now! Who is laughing with you?
As who? As the woman of the house. As the man of the house. The one that built this house. Wait. The last time I checked, you are just a village woman that cooks on stone and firewood. Why don't you just go out there? There are people that sell firewood in the street. Buy from them and cook, rather than trying to belong where you are not.
You know you're very stupid. When your useless son came to seek daughter's hand in marriage, that house you saw there, does it look to you like the miserable village house where you're coming from?
Which house?
I want me to strip you completely naked right here and now. Get out! Idiot! Idiot! Are you mad? Are you mad? Why are people here? Are you mad?
So, I will do with you. Oh, you came to my son's house if I could stop. Yeah? You came to my son's house.
Listen, I am tired of your mother's nuisance in this house. Ever since she came in, it's been from one problem to the other.
What about yours? What about yours? Do you know why this house has been relatively peaceful? It's simply because I chose to swallow everything that your mother has been doing to me. Now that my mother is here to fight my cause is a problem to you.
Why? Are you mad? Are you crazy? How dare you mention my mother in our conversation? Now listen and listen very good. It is either you leave or your mother leaves this house. Choose one. And that is final.
Mama.
Again.
My sweet mother. I appreciate the fact that you have come to fight my cause.
Oh.
But the way you're going about this whole thing is wrong.
I don't understand. On what side are you? When you were coming to the village to tell me on a woman now for my whole body is paining me, I wasn't fighting your cause then. You were telling me how your husband was pummeling you, beating you, killing you. Now I've come. You're telling me the way you're going about it is the wrong way. You have not seen anything. I just started though. That drum of fight just started. Juliana and her son will dance to the tune.
Hey, Mama. This whole thing is bringing enmity between me and my husband. And I don't like it.
Yes. I am not the one bringing enmity between you and your husband. That way Juliana is responsible. So hold her responsible. Then I do you when you get me.
Mama, you know you're not the one. Hey, but you have to go. You have to go back to the village.
I didn't hear that. Are you sending me out of your house?
No, it's not me, Mama. It's my husband. He gave me option to choose between our marriage or you leaving this house. And I still love my husband.
Go and tell him that I go nowhere. This is also my house. So I die here.
Mama, you can't die here.
I go nowhere. Oh. I've told you. Okay, prepare your mind and go and tell him what I just said. Or I will start my slapping program. Maybe I stand it to you, slap him as well. Then finish the mother. Because I better go.
Mama, you leave me and my husband out of it. He's more than you can do all the slapping. But at the same time...
The mother is still here. Has she gone? You cannot ask me to go when Juliana Obankudeto is still here. Obase. I go nowhere. I die here.
Mama, please, you will not die here. Don't you want me to enjoy this marriage?
Are you enjoying the marriage now?
Do you want them to send me out?
They sent you. Who is sending you anywhere? I am here. Hey, one person, a team. I'm a team. Just single-handedly, I'm a team.
I know you.
So be ready. I am going nowhere. I go nowhere.
Mama, please.
I no go anywhere. I don't go anywhere. I no go anywhere.
Why am I here because
learn to accept it. I go nowhere. Who are you afraid of?
I'm not afraid of anybody.
You are not afraid of anybody. Tell me who you are afraid of. Let me go and handle the person myself.
I know you can handle anything.
So calm down. I'm here. If they ask you to tell me to go, tell them to come and tell me themselves.
Since my mother came to the house, there is no day that passed that she doesn't fight my mother in. They fight, they quarrel every day. I am tired. Honestly, I'm tired.
You see your mother? She is my kind of woman. My very kind of woman. No nonsense person. If you are like her, I am pretty sure your mother-in-law will not have the infantry to come to your house to cause quarrel and trouble. No. She wouldn't dare.
Katie, the issue now is that she has refused to go. I need her to leave my house so there will be peace. Honestly.
Why? Why do you want her to leave? She is there to help you fight your fight.
My husband gave me an option to choose between our marriage or my mother. See why she needs to go. Because I don't want to leave my marriage. No matter what, I don't want to leave. I still love my husband.
Why is he forcing your mother to leave? Is he also forcing his own mother to leave that way? Why is your mother's presence a problem to him? Why?
What matters to me now is to do something, anything, whatsoever that can make that woman to go. Let her just leave my house. I don't want to just make my husband angry anymore.
Now you Sabi, I beg. Somebody came to help you fight and you want the person to leave. Now you Sabi, anyway, you know your complaints you've not been dressing and looking good. Have you tried to order for the things I asked you to order for? Nice hairs and nice outfits.
Hairs? Outfits? That is the least of my problem right now.
Okay. So you don't want to look hot?
I do not understand, honestly.
Okay. Please, let's go. Don't worry. I don't even know what to tell you, but you say everything will be fine.
Noye, good morning. How are you?
Papa, I'm not fine. I'm not fine at all.
You're not fine? Even with your mother with you there?
Papa, she is the cause of my problem. She is. Since she came, there is no day that she doesn't quarrel with my mother-in-law. And the whole thing is bringing problem between me and my husband.
I knew it. I knew when she was leaving that she was going to make trouble there. Huh?
Papa, please, just come and carry her. Come and carry your wife home, please. I tried to see whether she can leave, but I couldn't do it. She refused to go. Papa, please come. I don't want to be my marriage anymore. Please, Papa.
No, you don't worry, okay? Don't worry. I'll take care of things. Alright? Don't worry. Bye. Ginika. Ginika. I knew she was going to make trouble. Hi! I have to leave the village very early this morning so that I can get here on time.
Thank you for coming, Papa. Thank you.
Okay, so where is your mother?
She's inside.
What is going on here?
Young man, when you see an elder in the morning, what is the ideal thing to do?
Well, that is when they are welcomed. Nayalum, have you turned my house to the home of the homeless?
Baby.
Or have you brought your father here to come and fight me?
Excuse me? Dad. Homeless?
Yes, homeless. Excuse me.
Honey, what is wrong with you?
What nonsense? Who is here to stay anyway? How can one live in this kind of environment? Is this what you've been passing through?
It's okay. It's okay.
Moi, homeless!
Papa, it's okay. Please.
Hey!
Don't be angry, Papa.
First thing tomorrow morning, I'm out of this place.
Okay, Papa.
What nonsense!
Let me take you to where Mama is. Just follow me. Come, please, Papa. Papa, it's okay. Come. Oh, come.
Genika, I know you did what you did because of the love you have for our daughter. But you must know that not every war is won with sword and spears. Okay?
I don't have spares, neither do I have salt. The one I have, I used it well. Since you have said I must return back to the village, no problem. But I will go with my daughter. I cannot afford to leave Nonyelum in the hands of Juliana, her wicked son. They will kill her for me.
Really?
She's the only one I have. Just her and her brother. And one also.
Look. Noye has been living in this house for years.
And been suffering.
All by herself without us. Right? Noye that I know, if things get worse, she will come home by herself. Okay? So, my decision is this. First thing tomorrow morning, we are going back to the village. I say it's okay. It's okay. We are going to the village.
How long we can pretend God is watching? Maloba, nobody is God. All this evil is in vain. How long we can pretend God is watching? Maloba, nobody is God. All this evil is in vain. How long we can pretend God is watching? If happening meretata, echinini ga kwobora. Alaponi baratata, manam. Echinini ga kwobora. All the evil that you're doing today, awaiting you tomorrow. God is not a man that sleep no slumber. He rewards every man according to their work. Maloba, nobody is God. All this evil is in vain. How long we can pretend God is watching? Maloba, nobody is God. All this evil is in vain.
In Jesus' mighty name we pray.
Amen.
Hi, guy.
Daddy, what happened?
Captain, what's going on? How come you packed the whole salt in the whole universe and put inside this rice?
Salt?
Salt, salt. It's too much. Can you imagine too many salt in this rice?
Dad, you can take from mine. Just that she doesn't know how to cook.
Who made this?
Me. My late mom taught me how to cook.
When? How?
You're always at work.
You did this?
Yes.
Oh my God. This is wonderful. It's okay. Just continue, okay?
Don't worry.
It's okay, it's okay. When you're done with this, go and prepare my own.
Okay. Don't mind that. She doesn't know how to cook.
It's okay. Catherine, where are you? You're starting darling.
No, don't worry. You can try. I know you're very hungry. You can try.
Are you trying to tell me that you're going to turn blind eyes to what just happened right now? Or you want to make me an object of ridicule? Which of them?
What are you talking about?
What I'm saying is that Chimonya is the reason my food is salty.
What?
Yes. When I finished making that food, I tasted it. It was perfect. Only to come upstairs here, have my bath and go down to dish the food, it became salty. And she was there the set time.
Can you listen to yourself? Huh? Just see how ridiculous you're sounding. Why do you always exempt yourself from blames, lying against a little girl for what she did not do? Is that not funny?
So, what you're trying to say is that you're going to sit down here and do nothing instead of going to figure out the truth, right?
You know what? I just had a very wonderful meal. Very subconscious meal. I want it to enter my body. Okay? I don't need this stress from you, please. I don't just need this. Okay? Oh my God.
Small but right, smartness in a besides. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie malwa. Small but right, smartness in a besides. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie malwa. Small but right, smartness in a besides. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie malwa. Small but right, smartness in a besides. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie malwa. Bobby, a jar of one so little Bobby, a native Bobby, a jar of one so a native Manini and Sabu, Onyaki Sabu, enjoyable, Omega, Fire Canodo, Otaga, Bobby, Van Ichuan Sabu, Onyaki Sabu, enjoyable, Omega, Fire Monkita Canodo, Otaga, Van. She's wise and brave, don't take her for granted.
Ginika, what is it with the long face?
Did you really ask that? Are you seriously asking me that? When you made me leave my daughter in the lion's den to face her fate alone, you were asking me that? You want me to be happy?
Thank you. Thank you, you said it's her fate. The fate is her own, not your own. So let her suffer that fate all by herself. So why are you worrying yourself? Huh?
Akachi,
That's my daughter.
why did you bring me back to this village? What am I doing for you?
Exactly what we have just said. fate. If that marriage wants to die, let it die naturally. You shouldn't be the one to kill it. Huh? So I brought you here so that nobody will hold you responsible for anything that will happen to that marriage.
I beg you.
Oh yeah, come now, let's carry these things.
I'm not carrying the bag. Carry it. You brought me all the way from the city where I was taking care of my daughter. Come and carry the bag for you. Carry the bag. You wanted to come back to the village. You are in the village and carry your bag. It's your responsibility.
And you are shouting at me. Come and carry this bag,
I will
oh.
not carry it.
Look at this woman, oh. Okay, I will not carry also. What is it? I will not carry.
Leave it there. Leave it. Who is ashamed? Is it not in front of your house?
You see women? If I don't carry this bag now, they will say I'm not pampering my wife. Even though that I love you, eh? Okay. This will serve you. Ginika! Ginika! Hey!
Were you the one who soaked my school uniform?
I'm the one. So you feel you can embarrass me in the presence of my husband and go scot-free? Huh? No way. I did it. Just wait until your father calms down and ask you why you are not dressed in your school uniform yet. Then I would tell him that you were playing your life out yesterday and forgot you soaked your uniform. And then watch him give you the beating of your life this morning.
Sorry to burst your bubble, Mrs. Darkheart. Today is public holiday in our school. So thank you so much for soaking my school uniform.
What?
You just shot yourself on the foot. Thank you so much!
To your face?
Burnt.
Burnt? How did it happen?
I was trying to use my wipes on my face. And then I started feeling hot on my face. I ran inside the bathroom and this happened.
Babe, come on, you know, you need to be careful how you use all this product.
I need to be careful of your daughter.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
She's the one who put whatever she put in my wipes that caused me this thing on my face.
See, why must you say an outrageous thing like this? Huh? Must you involve her in all your misfortune?
Just look at my face. Just take a look at my face. I know what she's done to my face. No problem. This is the height of it. She's going to hear me this time. Look at what she did to my face.
It's okay. Let's focus on your face first, okay?
I look like what I don't know.
look like human being, okay? Huh?
You daughter of a witch. What have you done to my face?
If there is anyone to call a witch, that person should be you. Because you look like one that just escaped from hell. Well, but have you looked at yourself in the mirror today?
You know you will not get away with this one, right? Because of all the things you've done to me, this one topped the chart. Ruining my beauty, you will not get away with it.
What will you do? What will you do? You said you want a game. Let's play it. But it seems I'm winning.
Watch your back, little brat.
I don't care.
You still have the mind to sleep while my daughter is missing. Catherine, I'm talking to you. Catherine. Catherine. So you still have the mind to sleep while my daughter is missing?
Why won't I sleep? Why won't... Sorry, did you say missing?
Yes. I went outside to search for her. She's nowhere to be found.
Is that why you're bothering yourself? She's probably gone to one of her boyfriend's house.
My friend, would you just shut that stupid mouth of yours if you don't have anything to say?
Since I have nothing to say, please, allow me sleep. Oh, just interrupting my sleep now.
How long